ahead. Let's see what she look like now.
Perfect.
What's swinging, gang? What's swinging, gang? Whew. I got something crazy special for my M6 guys and my M5 guys. You know, that's part of the Autolust family. It's gonna be crazy. Today we getting full Project Gamma bolt-ons done on the fully forged M6. Like I told you, if you guys don't know, the M6 had a incident, you know, a few months ago, about 5 months ago, where we end up blowing the engine. Well, throwing the rod bearing. You know, had to get the engine rebuilt. It was built fully forged, arrow rods, and all type of stuff like that. You know, so it's finally time to get that power out of now. So we starting with full Project Gamma bolt-ons. So damn all that talking, as always, it's hot. You know, I just finished washing Sasha, so I'm finna go take a shower, get dressed, and we finna get right over here. So let's ride.
A few moments later.
So it's a change of plans. Usually I'll be jumping out at Aguadilla right now, and usually I'll be jumping out at Aguadilla to see Sasha, but Sasha already ready. I'm driving her now, doing the last couple 100 miles on the engine break-in. But I stopped over because my engine builder over here at CTP Performance, and they got a nasty full bolt-on F90 M5 getting tuned right now, and I don't want to miss it. So let's get the hell out of here and let's go see it. Ooh, boy, it's a long ass dyno. I'd be scared to drive all the way up here. Scared the wheel might slip off this motherfucker or something. It's the F90 right here, gang. Got them custom intake scoops. I guess they're letting it cool down before they do another pull. Yeah, but this is CSF coolers, E40, METH injection, and a couple other odds and ends. Let you guys take a look at that engine, baby. That's gorgeous. Y'all already know that's the man right there. Every time you see something powerful, you gonna see him. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Woo, look at that interior. That ivory white. It's the same interior the M6 got, gang. Same color, ivory white and black. Gorgeous. Woo, look at them. Well, them spaceship seats right there. Gorgeous. So y'all letting it cool down?
No, wait for you.
Oh, okay. Oh, they was waiting on us, so we here now. So let's see what this baby finna do. It's pull number one. Well, it's pull number two. They did just a little quick bass run already. Actually, this M5 is getting a built motor, and they're just getting the stock numbers first. And it's the third run. Finna see what type of power we can make. Try to get a side view this time. All right, it's on. Yeah, so we had it heat soaked a little bit, gang. So we're gonna let it cool down a little bit. It done heat soaked a little bit. Dang. Yeah.
Watch your ears.
Woo. Yeah, so she done, gang. They was just doing 3 pulls just to see what she make, and they did all 3 pulls with the engine heat soak. So this is an easy, almost 800 all-wheel horsepower car. Easy. Animal. Ooh. Look at this showroom at CTP Performance, gang.
El don que vino aquí, Javier, que vino con el hijo mi abuelito con Michael, que tú le tuneaste un Civic. Ah, ok. Pues el papá de él todos los días me envía, papá. Todos los días me envía. Y yo no lo bajo, papi, porque es una pena. Lo que sí bajé es una que está brutal.
Beautiful showroom. Plenty of performance in here too.
Supposed to ask it, why the fucking car wants to stop?
Yeah, that says it. Damn.
A few moments later.
Now we back on schedule. Pulling up at Aguadilla. Trying to see what they got the M6 looking like. I haven't seen the M6 since all these goodies got put on, so woo, he been in the woods. The F90 had a good run on the dyno. Now it's getting it, and that's just a base run. Those dyno runs was base runs before the engine build. This car is finna get a fully forged engine, custom turbos, and turn the boost up. It almost hit 800 all-wheel horsepower, gang, on the stock engine, stock turbos, pretty much stock. You know, some CSF coolers and some E40. Let's check this M6 out. I know she gorgeous. Woo. What's going on, bro? Woo. She getting ready to get, got that METH tank right there, ducked off in the corner. Got the pump down here, down low where you want it. It's going down. Pop, 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 pop the hood. Let's see what she look like now. See what she look like now. Them F90 intercoolers, ain't it? I don't know. Oh, okay, them your old intercoolers. They look like F90. But boy, look at that. Isn't that a sight for sore eyes? Yeesh. All in the grill with it. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Got some braided METH lines. That is gorgeous. See, we're getting the controller hooked up and everything right now. So she almost ready. And this engine is already fully forged, gang. This one has Mr. Vanos arrow rods in it. So she already ready. Like I told you, this car will be 1,000 wheel horsepower. We're going for 1,000 wheel horsepower with the M6. Don't be nasty when she done. Now, that is a gorgeous engine, baby. That is a gorgeous engine, baby. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to get any sound clips because we were waiting on a new intercooler pump and the old one was already taken off and we couldn't crank the engine without it. But they will be on the next episode. Man, the M6 is gonna be a complete animal when it's done. You know, it's some things that happened that we didn't know about, like one of the engine mounts are bad and the intercooler pump that circulates the coolant for the intercooler, it had like a hairline fracture in the top of the pump, so we ordered a brand new pump. And once that's in, we're gonna get the SSP Spec X clutch put in, you know, so we can get all that power to the ground. And I think we're gonna do a custom turbo setup on the M6 because we're going for 1,000 wheel horsepower. You know, 1,000 horsepower to the wheel. You know, that's what we're trying to shoot for. So, you know, I mean, it's gorgeous though. The engine bay is gorgeous. The engine is forged. We full bow-tones. We got METH ports in the charge pipes and in the intercooler. So we have it post and pre-intercooler. I'm gonna run that on Sasha also. METH pre and post intercooler, you know, so. But outside of that, that BMW F90 is wicked. I mean, wicked. And if you didn't hear when I said it earlier, that's just the base tune. That's just the base horsepower for what's on the car now. You know, the engine isn't built yet. The boost isn't turned up. The factory turbos are still on it. They're going with custom turbos. That F90 is gonna be a complete animal. I mean, animal. You know, well over, I mean, probably around like 900 all-wheel horsepower, somewhere around there. You know, that's what I'm trying to get Sasha to be, you know, around 900 all-wheel. So, yeah, gang, I know y'all ready to see Sasha get tuned. I know y'all ready to see how much power she made. I still ain't got no axles built, but damn the axles, I'm finna go ahead and do the engine break-in and tune it anyways. You know, just so I can, you know, get stuff going, you know. So, I mean, it is what it is. You know, stuff's slow right now, but we still make a move, Auto Lust gang. You know, and you guys already know. Soon as Sasha is in the clear and totally finished, Yuri definitely going in the shop for upgrade. So, ow. Like, share, subscribe, and Auto Lust out.